What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I want to do a talking video of the Traxxas Mini Max 4-wheel drive truck. Now, it will get used again, either this weekend or next weekend, or another weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly which, I promise that this thing will be used again at some point, because I'm surprised this thing is still not broken, as you can see, because you can see this is a, as you can see, but the original bolt that was supposed to hold this wheel has actually broke off, or just came loose somehow, because I don't know what's good you can see, because I'm surprised that this thing got used almost quite a bit, because you can see, this is a pretty nice looking machine, my opinion, but you can see how much it's expected this exactly. And this thing keep doing, and every time when I do this thing will just keep doing wheelies like this, because a lot of times you know how much expected this thing exactly. You see, I know the body is destroyed on this thing. It wasn't destroyed before exactly, because it was doing March and April, and they got used in May, then you use in June. I know this thing will be used the whole weekend with the whole season. You can see it doing, and nothing's broken. And they say what's surprising is actually still works pretty easy, because you can see. And that's pretty much what I expected this thing exactly, which I do kind of like this machine a lot, because you see how much expected this thing exactly. Which it will get used again either another weekend or next weekend exactly, which I don't know exactly, but it will get used again another weekend or next weekend, I don't know exactly, which I know since the fact this thing is going to get getting used almost like quite a bit of time, because look at this thing exactly. This thing actually looks pretty cool, man. It's four-wheel drive, you can see, because you got the drive shaft, you can see. Now, if it was a two-wheel drive, like the Vortex right here, that's the difference, because you can see. But you can see how much is really expected this machine exactly, which is heavy. How much you really expected this machine exactly, which it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but I mean, just think about it, guys. I mean, this thing on here, surprisingly, you should get this one exactly, but I see people, some people put a 3S on this thing, which I do not recommend putting on 3S on this machine, because you will break the wheels and then break the axle in the back here, which I'm surprised that they said. But to say, hope at some point this thing we get used another weekend or next weekend, I don't know exactly, but hope at some point we get it in use again.